Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of, my full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations it has something to do with, I think it's in the field of civil engineer. Of course, if you're a licensed civil engineer, you are on the working site or construction site, right? And of course, if you are working on that site, if there is an hazardous area, of course, they will recommend do not go there to work. So it's a danger sign, right? Now the question is there an acronyms or abbreviations for this? If it is the working construction site is hazardous, yes, there is. I'm referring to NSFW. Yes, NSFW. Okay, the question is, what is this NSFW meaning? Here's the answer. NSFW stands for not safe for work. That's it. Not safe for work. NSFW. Okay? Simple as that. I'll give you another chance because usually I mention acronyms or abbreviations in my reels or videos twice. This time I'll give you another chance. Okay. NSFW stands for not safe for work. That's it. Simple as that. This is a paid promotion label. Don't forget to subscribe and please support my YouTube account, of course, and click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviation that is it's either videos or reels. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good afternoon.